In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust word spacing in Microsoft Word. Although Word doesn't provide a direct word spacing slider like some desktop publishing applications, you can use a combination of formatting and alignment techniques to control the spacing between words effectively. Let's walk you through the process step by step. First, let's talk about the common issue with justification. If your text is justified, meaning aligned both left and right, Word might stretch the spaces between words unevenly to ensure each line fits the full width of the page. This often results in large, inconsistent gaps that can be visually unappealing. To resolve this, you can change the paragraph alignment to left align instead of justified. By doing so, the word spacing will stay consistent throughout your document, providing a tidier look and feel. Moving on to adjusting character spacing, which can indirectly affect word spacing. Begin by selecting the portion of text you want to modify. Head over to the Home tab and click on the Font Dialog Launcher, which is the small arrow in the font group. Once there, navigate to the Advanced tab, sometimes labeled as Character Spacing. Within this section, you'll find options to adjust the spacing to expanded or condensed. You can specify a point value here, and increasing the spacing will widen everything, including the spaces between words. Additionally, you can use the scale feature to stretch or compress characters, which impacts how wide the space between words appears. Keep in mind that these adjustments affect all characters equally, so while it's not purely word spacing, it can significantly improve the overall appearance of your text. For those seeking a manual workaround, particularly useful for headings or special layouts, you can replace single spaces with multiple spaces using Find and Replace. In the Find box, enter a single space and replace it with 2 or 3 spaces as needed. Alternatively, inserting a specific spacing character like an EM space can offer consistent width. However, note that this method is manual and not ideal for long body text or documents that will be edited frequently. Lastly, if you've made adjustments to character spacing using the font dialog, consider using styles to apply these changes consistently across your document. By updating the paragraph or heading style, the changes will apply to all text of that style, ensuring uniformity and saving you time from making manual adjustments to each paragraph. This way, you maintain consistency throughout your document, which can be especially beneficial for longer documents or professional reports. With these techniques, you can have better control over word spacing in Word documents. Adjust according to your specific needs and enjoy a more polished and professional appearance for your text. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.